Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today I will solve one example on parallel combination of resistors so that it becomes clear how it is applied. We know that in parallel combination of resistors, the effective resistance should be always less than the individual resistances. Now we have got one question: what resistance must be connected to a 15 ohm resistance to provide an effective resistance of 6 ohm? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हम 15 ओम रेजिस्टेंस में कौन सी सर्किट यूज करें कि हमको जो रेजिस्टेंस इक्वल रेजिस्टेंस होगा या इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस है वो 6 ओम है। तो इसको सॉल्व करने का तरीका है गिवन इक्वल्स टू 15 ओम 15 ohm given equals to 15 ohm, and we have to find out the second resistance, say it is R2, which we have to find out. Now the given resistance is 15 ohm and the effective resistance is 6 ohm. So resistance effective, or we can say resistance, is 6 ohm. It is our final resistance. So this resistance is decreasing, therefore we can say that it should be connected in parallel. Means the resistance 15 ohm and the R2 resistance, which we are going to calculate, should be connected in parallel. So for that we know the formula, that is in parallel combination parallel combination 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Now this 1 by R is 6 ohm, that is 6 ohm equals to 1 by R1 is 1 by 15 ohm plus 1 by R2. Now we have to find out the value of R2. So this can be calculated as 1 by 6 minus 1 by 15 equals to 1 by R2. We will take the LCM of 6 and 15. That comes out to be 30 ohm. That means the LCM of 15 and 6. 15 and 6 is 30. So here I will write 5 ohm minus 2, and this will become 1 by R2. R 3 by 30 equals to 1 by R2. R, this is 1 by 10 equals to 1 by R2. That means R2 equals to R2 equals to R2 equals to 10 ohm. R2 equals to 10 ohm. So our answer will be the resistance that should be connected in parallel with 15 ohm. It should be of 10 ohm. That means R2 equals to 10 ohm. So now this becomes our answer. So whenever there is, if the given resistance is more than the effective resistance, then we will use the parallel circuit. So in this way we have solved this question and we have got the answer. R2 means resistance 2 which must be connected in the circuit in parallel to have effective resistance of 6 ohm. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and press the bell icon. Thank you.